34-kilometer NLEX right to the heart of the metropolis. Its cloverleaf interchange enables motorists to safely enter and exit the main tollway in every direction without having to stop, seamlessly. The link goes right from Quezon City's heart to just before the NLEX Valenzuela junction, enabling motorists to avoid the heavy traffic at the Balintawak main entrance.
Okay, good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at NLEX Taranasa Norte. Now we're going to visit a booth, Alaminos City. Ano ba meron sa Alaminos City, ate?
Siyempre, ang aming 100 Islands.
Islands. Gaano pa siya ka-accessible from Manila? Gusto kasi malaman ng ating mga visitors, of course, everyone who hears us today, kung gaano ba ka-accessible and kasulit pumunta sa Alaminos City.
Kung from Manila, mga 5 hours lang from Manila to Alaminos by bus. Pero pag may sarili sasakyan, 4 hours lang.
Okay, so talagang napaka-accessible through NLEX kasi, di ba? And let's talk about food. Ano bang meron sa Pangasinan or Alaminos City na pinagmamalaki niyo?
Ang aming Alaminos Longganisa, siyempre marami mga seafoods doon. Yung longganisa namin kakaiba, yun yung sinasabi nilang may toothpick sa may side. Yes. Parang ano lang, may mga tinik-tinik lang sa may side. Di ba, meron yung mga vegan longganisa. Sa amin naman, Alaminos Longganisa. Masasabi kong masarap talaga yung longganisa.
Tourist attractions, ma'am. Ano meron na magandang puntahan sa Alaminos?
Of course, ang 100 Islands, which is napakalinis. At ngayon, marami na talagang corals at saka maraming giant clams na yes, marami. 3,500 mahigit na giant clams ang meron ngayon sa 100 Islands.
So talagang tourist destination talaga ang Alaminos, especially in the past 3 years or 5 years siguro, di ba medyo pupuputok talaga siya. Ano po yung plans nyo para mas lalong dumami yung turista, especially the overseas or the foreigners that want to come to Pangasinan, specifically Alaminos?
Maliban sa sumali sa mga travel fair na ganito, syempre magkakaroon kami ng mga promotions and marketing sa iba't ibang mga trade fair pa rin. Oo. Tapos, syempre through sa ating Taranasa Norte na Tourism and Travel Fair. Ini-invite po namin kayo na sana pasyalan niyo po ang aming 100 Islands sa Alaminos City, Pangasinan, kung saan makikita niyo po yung tinatawag na white sand na masasabi natin talagang God-made na talaga. Well, hindi, oo. Tsaka hindi siya, develop, untouched na, Okay, yun lang po. Sana makapunta kayo sa amin.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po. Sana po mga visitors and exhibitors, even the ones who hear us, punta po tayo sa Alaminos, Pangasinan at siguradong sulit-sulit. Sulit na sulit talaga ang pagpunta natin doon through NLEX, Taranasa Norte. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Taranasa Norte, and we're now here at one of our sponsors booth, Azalea Residences, Baguio. Tama po ba? What's your name po?
I'm Kim.
Jace. Ann.
Okay. Ma'am, saan po ba located specifically ang Azalea sa Baguio?
Azalea Residences Baguio is located Leonard Wood, just in front of Teachers Camp. So 5 minutes away lang siya sa town proper and 8 minutes away from the tourist destination.
And what sets apart your hotel or Azalea from the others or your competition, especially in Baguio?
Actually, yung difference namin or advantage ng Azalea is we do have kitchenette in all our rooms.
dahil sa NLEX, we all know na napaka-accessible ng Baguio from Manila. So, give us an idea, how many hours does it take from Manila to Baguio now? Or specifically Azalea?
If you're gonna ride on a deluxe bus, it's like 4 hours max. And then if it's a regular bus, it's 6 hours. 6 hours ride.
Thank you talaga sa NLEX na ginawa nilang posible at napaka-convenient ng travel to the north from Manila. And one more thing, you have a Manila office that they can also contact if they want to reserve rooms or anything, parties, conventions.
Yes, actually, we do have one in Podium. Our Manila sales office at 5th floor, the Podium Mall. We do have a Manila sales office there. So you could make a reservation through phone. Our telephone number is 579-4894, 579-4890, or
You can contact me, Marian J. Spantaniol at 0917-707-5253.
Last na lang po, invite them to come to Baguio and to Azalea. Invite everyone.
Okay guys, everyone, right now, Azalea Residences Baguio has existing promos that you can choose from. So, yung mga prices namin ngayon is very reasonable and we know may enjoy nyo yung stay nyo doon. Thank you po. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Azalea and Taranasa Norte. Thank you guys.
World with 5,000 affiliate hotels and resorts in over 100 countries. Timesharing, also known as holiday ownership, gives you the opportunity to buy your vacation home at the fraction of a price of owning one. Imagine your dream vacation home available to you 7 days per year.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're still here at NLEX Taranasa Norte, and we're here with one of the sponsors, Air Asia. Good morning, ma'am.
morning.
Your name, please?
I'm Ina.
Okay, so we'd like to know, what's Air Asia all about?
We're the fifth world's best low-cost airline. We operate in Clark. We have several destinations. We have Clark to Davao, Clark to Calibo. We have Clark to Taipei and Clark to Hong Kong. So come book with us.
Okay, so what's what you have said, your top 5 or one of the best when it comes to low-cost airline? How does it happen? What sets AirAsia apart?
I think our fares are very competitive. Not only that, we really have the lowest fares. We are now actually our Manila flights are operated by Zest Air right now, which we have a lot of domestic destinations. We've added more to that. So Zest Air is actually we have several destinations including Bacolod, Iloilo. We also have Davao, that's from Manila, the Terminal 4. Yeah, that's all.
So any websites or telephone numbers that you want to inform them?
Yes. Actually, you can follow us on Twitter. You can also add us on Facebook and like us. We have several people over here. We have Adrian, Dan, who are roaming around with their tablets. Please like us on Facebook so you know about our promos.
Special rates and promos, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, ma'am, I understand you have a stage program later on. Why don't you invite everyone so that they would look forward to that later?
Sure. Come later at Robinson's. We're here beside Sun Cellular in front of Tempura Japanese Grill. We have a booth here. We have the lowest fares. Come join our games. later as well to win and avail of our free flights. We're giving away free flights at 4 p.m. We have a raffle as well. Thank you.
Pwede ba sa akin na lang yung isa doon?
Oo, pwede naman sumali.
Okay, so there you have it, guys. So, Air Asia. Let's all fly Air Asia. Thank you. NLEX, tara na sa norte. Thank you, ma'am.
This is La Union Province. Lesser known than its provincial neighbors.
Good
La Union is a
afternoon.
diamond
Welcome once
waiting
again to
road.
NLEX, tara na sa norte.
Its honest
Ngayon,
beauty
magpo-focus
has been
naman
largely
tayo sa
overlooked.
isang booth from Tarlac wherein what's your name, sir?
Joffrey Pascasio.
And you make handicrafts and pottery. So, paano po ba ginagawa to? Or saan po ba sa part ng Tarlac mapagmamalaki ang pottery? Bakit po ba?
Sa sa Santa Ignacio sa matatagpuan. Kasi doon makikita yung pinaka matibay na klase ng clay. Actually, from Pampanga, doon din sila kumukuha.
Na-mention nyo pong pinakamatibay na clay. Pwede nyo po bang i-share or at least kung hindi man sekreto, pwede nyo po bang ipaalam ko bakit po niya sabing matibay talaga ang clay from Tarlac?
May iba-iba kasing klase ng clay and then yung consistency kasi ng lupa is iba rin sa ibang region sa ibang province. So, itinest na rin ito ng DOST and they found out na yun nga, we have yung pinakamatibay.
So, import quality po din po ito. Export quality. Export quality. Okay, so aside from Tarlac, saan nyo po ito ini-import?
Here in the Philippines, nagsusupply po kami dun sa Batangas, yung mga palayok po na ganito na kulay itim. And then, sa iba't ibang lugar na rin, nagte-trade fair po kami, to Baler, Vigan, Zambales, Tarlac, dito sa Manila. Yan, iba't ibang month, mayroon kami invitation. Ayan, pinupuntahan po namin.
Any website po or contact numbers, pwede nyo po silang invite na i-visit kayo sa inyong shop sa Tarlac or kung meron po kayong ibang outlets.
I'd like to invite you to see our website at www.pascasiopatry.weebly.com and email at pascasiopatry_ PASCASIO_patry@yahoo.com.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po. From pottery, lipat naman tayo sa craftsmanship. Ano pong pangalan nyo, sir? Edwardson Leathercraft. Okay. So, saan po kayo naka-base, sir?
Sa Bulacan.
Bulacan.
Bulacan. Sa Bukawi.
So, ito po, handmade po lahat talaga to? Handmade. Kayo po ba gumagawa?
Oo, kami gumagawa.
Wala kayong katulong, sir? Pwede ba na?
Mayroon. Kami nagsusupply sa Balikbayan. Saka sa Tesoro. Saka sa Baguio.
Expert quality din po talaga. Naniniwala naman ako expert quality din naman po talaga to, di ba? Okay, sir. So, invite nyo din po sila. Saan po ba kayo paano po kayo ba contact just in case na gusto din nila mag-order or i-visit yung shop nyo?
Pwede silang pumunta sa Bukawi, ganun.
Saan po sa Bukawi?
Sa Tollgate. Doon, malapit lang doon. Number hindi.
Telephone number, sir.
Hindi ko kabisado ito.
Sige, dito ko sana. Pero makikita naman natin dito sa mga gawa ni Sir Edward na talagang customized, handmade nga talaga siya. And mukha siyang matibay. Teka, hindi ako nag-wallet ng ganito pero hindi siya basta napupunit. Matibay nga, sir. Matibay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you po. Yan ang mga matatagpuan niyo dito sa aming exhibit. So, guys, tara na sa norte.
Ay pareho parang walang pagbabago.
Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with Miss Maria Luisa Elduayan, Chief Malu. Miss Malu, good afternoon po. Chief Operations Officer for Department of Tourism sa Pangasinan. Good afternoon, ma'am. Okay. Ano po bang, what's the main attractions po ba of Pangasinan na we can highlight and invite our folks to come over?
Yes, syempre for Pangasinan, we have the famous Our Lady of Manawag Shrine. So for our pilgrims and devotees of Our Lady of Manawag, pwede po nilang puntahan to sa Central Pangasinan. And of course, we have the home of the 100 Islands. That's in Alaminos City. And we have destinations also, yung mga beautiful beaches of Pangasinan in Bolinao, in Lingayen, in Bani, and marami pa pong iba ang pwede.
White sand po ba yan, ma'am?
We have yung white sand, pero hindi siya yung Boracay white sand, pero it's uniquely Pangasinan. Ito yung Patar Beach sa may Bolinao. Yes.
When it comes to food, ano po ba ang may pagpapalaki ng mga Pangasinense?
Siyempre, we have in Pangasinan yung the world's tastiest bangus, sabi namin. So that's in Dagupan City, and Alaminos City, Bolinao, and Lingayen offers the delicious and tastiest milkfish or bangus.
Festivals. I heard there's a Bangus Festival, right? That happens when?
For the Bangus Festival in Dagupan City, that's April 30. Annually po yan. And during summer, last week of April to May 1st, yun po yung Pistay Dayat or yung sinasabi naming Sea Festival. So, fiesta talaga sa lahat ng beaches of Pangasinan.
So ma'am, any upcoming events na gusto niyo i-promote for Pangasinan siya para malaman din ng ating mga visitors and dito sa mall or everyone else?
Usually, yung festivals natin in Pangasinan during the summer, and pero the last months of the year, like for December, yung Gali Kayo Festival sa Manawag, yung celebration for Our Lady of Manawag, and yung Puto Festival ng Calasiao. Pero usually talaga yung mga festivals namin during April, May na yan. Yung Mangunguna Festival ng Bolinao, syempre Bangus Festival ng Dagupan City, ng Pistay Dayat ng Lingayen. Yon, marami pang iba. And we have, syempre yung schedule, yung calendar of events po namin Pangasinan. We have some brochures here at the booth of the Department of Tourism dito sa Taranasa NLEX. Opo, so okay naman po.
So I understand na napakadali na pumunta ng Pangasinan ngayon nowadays dahil it was made possible by NLEX. How far is Pangasinan from Manila?
That would take you about 4-hour na land trip.
4 hours land trip.
Apa.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Anything else you want to promote or you can invite all the people to go and visit Pangasinan?
Okay. Yes, I'd like to invite everyone to come and visit Pangasinan. You can first check out yung Lingayen, that's the capital town of Pangasinan, where you can see the most beautiful and the most beautiful capital in the not only in the province but throughout the Philippines. Ito yung where you can see the one of 8 architectural treasures of the Philippines. So that's Lingayen, and of course check out our beaches and Our Lady of Manawag Shrine for your devotions to Our Lady of Manawag. And up north pa, sa western Pangasinan, there's Bolinao, there's Dasol. We have some establishments here at the tourism fair. We have Dasoland, we have Puerto del Sol, Punta Riviera, and Lingayen pa. Check out all the establishments po. Yes, yung Pangasinan website. Check it out po. Okay po.
Thank you. Have a good day, ma'am. So narinig nyo nga naman, talagang panalo talaga ang Norte. It's more fun in North Philippines. So kita-kita tayo guys. Tara na sa Norte. I'm Diomar, your quiz master for the later event. And this is Apple. you can ask questions to her if you have any things that you want to update. So first, I'll be checking first the attendance. For Central Scholar University, Christina Jean Olete and Mr. Lawrence Paulo Garcia. For Colegio de San Juan de Letran, we have Princess Yuan May and Miss Marie Nessa and Pellegrino. Okay. Global City Innovative College, Jasmine May Suanas, Christopher Wayne Andrew, San Pedro, Our Lady of Fatima University QC, Aleta Bridgetan, Kate and Cordon. Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Mr. Aldwin Gonzalez, okay, and Jessame Villamarin. For STI Global City, Ray Marie de la Peña Gakusan, okay, and Miss Jessa Bueno de la Cruz. From UST, Shamil B. Mercado and Carl Daniel Carandang. Okay. For UP Asian Institute of Tourism, Alathea C. Bravo, okay, and Miss Carla Colin Santos. And last but not least, of course, is Olivares College. We have Princess Regeline Cortreras and Mr. Norhon Abao. I'm just going to read the mechanics quickly. If you have any other questions or things you want to clear out, you can just ask Apple. You can just raise your hand. So the mechanics for this afternoon's quiz are, there will be 20 questions, 10 multiple choice. Each team will be given a chalk, an illustration board, a tissue for eraser, and a folder. Contestants will write their answers on the illustration board and will show their answer to the audience and the proctors when the buzzer rings. So take note of that. Answers must be correctly spelled. Wrong spelling is wrong. So we are all collegiate people here. We know that spelling is really important when it's come to Quiz B. Contestants is advised or are advised to write legibly in block letters. So block letters, much better kung naka-all caps tayo para hindi talaga ma-overlook or ma-misinterpret ng mga nag-check. So, I will announce the correct answer and the proctors will identify the contestants with the correct answers. So rally point tayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Walang elimination pala. Just like to inform everyone, walang elimination. We'll just check kung sino ang mga high scorers at the end of the quiz B. Scorers will mark the answers of the contestants at the whiteboard on stage, while the overall scorer will tally their scores. Coaching from the audience will not be allowed. So nakikusap po ako sa mga fans, followers, lovers, boyfriends, kamag-anak. Huwag niyo pong turuan ng inyong mga schools na sinusuportahan kasi po, i-void din po yung answer nila. Kung na magkakaganon man. In case of a tiebreaker, there will be 5 questions at the first part to get 3 correct answers. Okay, so the first ones in the tiebreaker to get 3 consecutive correct answers will be the winner. That's okay. No elimination round from the contestants. Top 3 with the high scores will be announced as winners, as I mentioned earlier. So ito na yung mga prize, yung mga inaantay nyo. First place is 5,000 pesos cash plus plaque. And of course, bragging rights. Siyempre, school natin, di ba? Panis kayo lahat ka. Ganyan lang yun. Second place is 3,000 pesos with, of course, same time plaque. And third place will be receiving 2,000 pesos plus plaque. Certificate of participation for each student and school will be given. Awarding will be held right after the quiz B. So tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. You have any questions? Yes?
Regarding dun sa multiple choice round, are we supposed to write the letter or are we gonna write the whole answer?
In the multiple choice round, you have just to write the letter. Okay. Any more questions?
Much better if you can clarify now Diba? There's no harm in asking than to compromise your scores or your possible win later on. So tanong-tanong din. Tanong lang.
I-emphasize ko lang, this is a team effort, no? So, parang each school is composed of 2 students, right? So, parang kayong dalawa will consult each other for the answer, the right answer. So, parang ang magko-compete, there are 10 schools, right? 10 schools, 9 schools. So, bali 18 students. So, parang ang winner talaga nito, yung school, no? So, team effort, kailangan magtulungan kayong dalawa. Okay?
Are there any more questions, guys? Anything more that you want to clear out? Later at 12, ma'am, am I right? Later at 12, they will be briefed. What? After this? Okay, after this, so huwag muna kayo umalis kasi i-brief na kayo in regard to the competition.
Can they automatically write the correct answer once they knew the answer, even without you saying time start now, or they have to wait? Okay. Clear po yun, ah. Kasi doon sa ibang contest na sinasalihan namin, yung iba nagsusulat na even without the master saying. And then, the judges, hindi nila kino-correct yun. Sana maging mahigpit po tayo. Thank you.
So, ayun, saka lang kayo magsulat ng answer after the quiz master say your timer starts now. Ayun. Questions? Wala na.
15 seconds, 20 seconds para hindi sila malito. 15 seconds for multiple choice and 20 seconds for identification. Okay, 15 seconds for multiple choice and 20 seconds for identification. Para hindi kayo pressure masyado. Pero at least you know. Anything else? Okay, yes?
Paano po kapag may objection po dun sa question tsaka sa answer? Example, halimbawa parang base halimbawa sa reference na ginamit namin, iba yung sagot or sa spelling. Tapos, so paano kayo mag-object? Parang gano'n.
Parang if there are discrepancies on the reference na ginamit nila at yung basis natin.
What do you mean, iba yung sagot?
Yes, hindi ma'am. Usually kasi ma'am sa spelling po, di ba halimbawa?
Spelling. Yung kaninang rule natin, di ba? Parang wrong spelling mo.
Hindi po, I mean, kasi what if po yung sa reference namin, ganito po yung spelling nila, pero po yung sa inyo, ganito po. Tapos pero, ayun, yung sa, kasi
What I think she means, ma'am, kasi 'di ba sa British dictionary minsan yung spelling daw mali, tapos sa English dictionary like Oxford or anything. Yun kasi nagtatalik program, 'di ba? Salitang program by British spelling, my English American spelling. Yun yata yung concern niya. Oo. Tricky question din kasi yung sinasabi.
Kasi siguro, most of the questions naman will be more of places, mga, ano pa ba yung mga, natin, mga festivals. So parang, I don't think naman magkakaroon tayo ng discrepancy in spelling.
Ma'am, do we have panel of judges now?
The proctors.
Do you have panel of judges? Panel of judges.
Hindi, proctors tayo.
Ma'am, we only have proctors. We don't have panel of judges. Proctors only.
Hindi po, kasi tama in relation to your question, di ba? There should be panel of judges to decide on the issue if in case na meron ngang mga paglinaw or discrepancy sa mga ibang sagot. Opo. So, wala po. Opo. Yun po. Salamat po. Opo. Opo.
As for your concern, ma'am, kanina di ba yun sa spelling, sabi nga ni ma'am, medyo malabong mangyari yon kasi nga Tagalog naman lahat siguro ng answers. Pero just in case, as long as it can be found in the dictionary, British or English, pasok yun. Yun. Kaya hindi yun magkakatulo siguro sa spelling. Okay, just stay put